Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore captivating design styles that transform spaces. Today, we're venturing into the world of industrial chic lofts with a vintage twist, a style that marries raw urban elements with the warmth of antique charm. As we journey through this unique space, allow yourself to imagine the textures, the interplay of light and shadow, and the stories these elements tell. If you're ready to discover how industrial edge can blend seamlessly with vintage elegance, settle in, and let's begin our tour. Before we start, if you're enjoying this content, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating these immersive design experiences for you. Now let's step into our industrial chic loft. Our journey begins in the entryway, where the bustling world outside fades away, replaced by a sense of timeless urban sophistication. Here, the industrial chic aesthetic immediately makes its presence known, while touches of vintage charm soften the edges. The materials here speak of both strength and history, cool, smooth surfaces alongside elements rich with patina. Light plays a crucial role, filtering through large windows and casting intriguing shadows that change throughout the day. Take a deep breath. Can you sense the hint of history in the air, mingling with the crisp scent of new beginnings? This space isn't just an entrance, it's the first chapter in the story this loft is waiting to tell. As we move into the living area, the essence of industrial chic meets antique charm unfolds around us. This is a space that invites you to explore, to run your fingers over varied textures, while your eyes dance between old and new. The room breathes with an exciting tension between raw urban elements and softer, time-worn pieces. Comfort and style coexist here, neither compromising the other. The palette is a study in contrasts, cool industrial tones warmed by rich vintage hues. Natural light pours through generous windows, highlighting the beautiful imperfections of exposed architectural elements. As day turns to evening, carefully chosen lighting transforms the space, casting a warm glow that softens the industrial edges. In one corner, a cozy nook beckons. Can you picture yourself here, lost in a book, surrounded by the harmonious blend of past and present? This living area isn't just designed, it's composed to create a space where every element has a voice, where the old and new engage in constant, fascinating dialogue. Stepping into the kitchen, you're enveloped by a sense of functional beauty, where vintage charm meets modern convenience. This is the heart of the industrial chic loft, where the warmth of the past harmonizes with the efficiency of the present. Here, utilitarian features are celebrated and elevated to art forms. The materials tell a story of time and use, surfaces that invite touch, finishes that improve with age. Open storage solutions showcase a mix of modern tools and vintage finds, each with a purpose and a history. The air is filled with possibility. Can you almost smell freshly ground coffee or herbs from a windowsill garden? The space is designed for both serious cooking and casual gatherings, with areas that encourage conversation and connection. Lighting plays a crucial role, with fixtures that reference industrial heritage while providing perfect illumination for culinary tasks. As day turns to evening, the space transforms, inviting intimate gatherings and culinary exploration. This kitchen isn't just a place for cooking, it's a space that celebrates the art of living well, where every meal prepared is a blend of heritage and innovation. The dining area flows seamlessly from the kitchen, creating a space that's perfect for everything from solo breakfasts to lively dinner parties. Here, the industrial chic aesthetic truly shines in its ability to make every meal feel both grand and intimate. The dining space is anchored by pieces that tell a story, furniture that might have had a past life in a factory or warehouse, now repurposed for gathering and sharing. The seating offers a visual history of design, with each piece chosen for both its look and its tale. Overhead, lighting makes a statement, drawing the eye upward to appreciate the loft's generous proportions. The walls serve as a gallery, with carefully chosen pieces that add layers of history and personality to the space. Can you imagine gathering here with friends, the room filled with the clinking of glasses and the warm hum of conversation? This is a space designed not just for eating, but for creating new memories against a backdrop rich with history. As we enter the bedroom, there's an immediate sense of sanctuary. This is a retreat within the industrial chic loft, where the raw energy of industrial elements is softened by antique touches and plush textures. Here, the design ethos creates a cocoon of comfort without losing its edge. The bed becomes a focal point, inviting rest while making a style statement. Textures play a crucial role in softening the space. Layers that beg to be touched, materials that feel as good as they look. Natural light is thoughtfully managed, with window treatments that reference the loft's industrial roots while providing privacy and light control. As night falls, carefully chosen lighting creates a cozy ambiance, perfect for winding down. The floor tells its own story underfoot, while carefully curated furniture pieces continue the dialogue between past and present. Storage solutions blend seamlessly into the design, maintaining the loft's open, airy feel. This bedroom isn't just a place to sleep. It's a personal gallery where industrial chic and vintage charm coexist, creating a space that's both restful and inspiring. As our journey through this industrial chic loft comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the story these spaces tell. This design style is more than just an aesthetic choice. It's a celebration of history, a commitment to authenticity, and a canvas for personal expression. Each area we've explored offers a unique dialogue between past and present, creating a home that honors its industrial roots while embracing modern comfort. It's a style that invites you to curate your space thoughtfully, to respect the stories of salvaged pieces, and to write your own history within these walls. We hope this tour has inspired you to see the beauty in raw materials, to appreciate the character of age, and to consider how you might blend industrial elements with antique charm in your own space. If you've enjoyed this journey, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What elements of industrial chic and antique charm resonate most with you? Until next time, may your home be a source of inspiration, a testament to the beauty of time, and a space where every object tells a story. Sweet dreams of lofty spaces and timeless design.